Hello everybody, welcome to the FreeGen Hyper Convergence video demo. Today we're going to talk about HA mode. The system configuration, we have a two-node cluster. The one that you're looking at it right now is cluster 1, which is IP address 1.71. Configuration wise, you can see there's a two processor on this system. Xeon E5 2620. Due to the hyperthread, you're going to see 24 core. And we also have 64 gigabyte memory. This will be our cluster 1. And now we switch over to the cluster 2. Exactly the same configuration. 64 gigabyte memory and also have the Xeon E5 2620, and again they have 24 core all together. Now we have cluster 1 and the cluster 2 form as a cluster. And we have two clients right now installed on the system. One is Windows 7, one is the Windows 2012. Both of them is running on cluster 2. Win 2012 is set up as a high availability mode. Now, this is the Windows 2012. Now I have a Crystal Disk Mark, which is a standard testing, and get it running. I'm going to let it run, and then as the first number showing up, performance number, then I will start to initiate the failover from a cluster 2 to the remaining surviving node, which is cluster 1. Now this is a performance number. Read is about 1000 megabyte per second, and the file size is 512K, which is a sequential read. That is pretty much a performance that I expected. In general, our performance is about 4 to 5 times faster than our competitor. Now I'm going to initiate a shutdown on cluster 2. Shutdown. Say OK. Just to make sure, I'm going to go in there and find out what the IP is. It's 1.218, and I'm going to ping it. You will see the window 2012 is going to shut down and eventually going to lose the ping. And when it successfully migrate over to the cluster 1, you will initiate a boot up. And after the boot up, of course, 1.218 will be pingable again. And that's what our definition of HA mode. Now we're going to go to the vServer Manager page again to check out our Windows 2012. Windows 2012 right now, cluster 2 is grayed out. The unit already shut down and in the process of migrating to cluster 1. When everything is finished from this GUI, you will see the host change it to cluster 1. And at that time, you will see the ping 1.218 will be successful again. Now we're patiently waiting for the window to go through the boot up process. It will be a couple minutes for the window to successfully boot up. The management GUI already changed. The Windows 2012 is already migrated to cluster 1 and is already boot up. The status right now is already power on. Now we just have to wait for the Windows operating system to completely boot up. Okay? Windows successfully load the network driver. Now 1.218 again is pingable. What we'll do right now is that we're going to go to the FreeGen console. The Windows 2012 is again boot up. Okay, we're patiently waiting for the window to boot up. Now, Windows up. I'm going to type in the password for administrator. Okay, now Windows 2012 is again boot up, is ready to serve. This is what I want to demo to you, the HA mode. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact your local sales support or your local technical engineer.